Welcome to the Oxygen Alliance YouTube channel, where we bring you videos on installation, maintenance, and various trainings on oxygen equipment and devices. If you have comments and/or questions, drop them in the comment section below or write to us info@oxygenalliance.org. Remember to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.
Hi, welcome to the Oxygen Alliance YouTube channel, where we bring you information and tips about oxygen concentrators. I am Sharon Mbozo, and today I'll be guiding you through the process of Sieve pressure testing. Before we jump into the testing procedure, let's prioritize safety. So if you're attempting this test, ensure that you have solid understanding of the equipment and its components. Always wear safety goggles. And make sure you wear gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards during the procedure. While testing, you need to understand the importance of seatbelt pressure testing. After refilling the seatbelt with new zeolite, it is essential to verify that the seatbelt can withstand the operating pressure without any leaks. If you are unfamiliar with the process of refilling seatbelt, you can find the link in the description below for more information. This can also be part of troubleshooting a seatbelt that was already in service. So whether you've just refilled the zeolite or you're dealing with an already existing seatbelt, this testing procedure is a crucial step in ensuring the proper functioning and safety of your oxygen concentrator. For this test, you need the following equipment and tools. A portable air compressor with a storage tank, which is connected to a gate valve. We have water separators to trap the moisture. We also have a one-way valve just after the water separators that will prevent the backflow of air. We have a seatbelt, which has an cable connected to the end. We have a latchet with 7mm socket. We have a thread tip, 15mm spanner, our digital pressure gauge, and our safety goggles. Not forgetting our soapy water. Now I'll take you through seatbelt pressure testing process step by step. Firstly, make sure you wear your safety goggles and your gloves. Secondly, inspect your seatbelt of any physical damage. And if it doesn't have a label, make sure you connect it. Thirdly, we're going to connect our digital pressure gauge to the seatbelt. So, you need thread tape to make sure that you don't have any leakages between the seatbelt and the pressure gauge. Next, we're going to connect our seatbelt to the compressor. Using a ratchet, I'm going to make sure that the hose grab fits tightly. Shouldn't have any leakages when you switch the compressor on. Okay. So now I've connected the bed to the compressor and the gauge is tightly connected. Now I have everything connected. Make sure that the direction where your sieve bed is pointing at is somewhere where if the gauge has to pop up, it won't be able to harm anybody, or it won't be able to cause any damage to anything. So now I'll switch on the compressor, then I'll switch on the gauge to monitor the rise of pressure in the sieve bed. Now we're going to apply our soapy water to see if we have any leakages at the bottom of the sieve. So we make some foam with the soapy water and we place it at the bottom. Okay, so wait for any bubbles. So as you can see, we have no bubbles. It means the bed is not leaking. So after doing this, you have to remove this if you're sure that you have no leakages. So you can use a whisker or any tissue paper if you have to wipe off the soapy water. Okay. So make sure you hold the sieve bed and make sure that your gauge isn't pointing at anything or anyone, so that it cannot cause any damage. So now we want to release the pressure in the sieve bed. Okay, so I'll remove the gauge slowly. Okay, so if I'm screwing a little bit and you switch it on, you see how the pressure will be dropping in the sieve bed. So make sure you hold it really tight so that it doesn't over to hurt you or cause any damage. So you wait for it until you have a zero inside. To secure openings of the bed so that the zero inside is affected by any humidity in surrounding. This is how you can effectively test the sieve bed for any leakages using the pressure test method. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in ensuring the proper functioning and safety of the oxygen concentrator. If you have any questions about sieve bed pressure testing, oxygen concentrators, or anything related to this topic, please don't hesitate to ask us in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.